Welcome to the biggest little haunt in northern Alabama. I'm standing in front of Sweet DreamZ Haunted House up here in Joppa, Alabama. If you don't know where that is, it's about halfway between Birmingham and Huntsville, and we're here for their Love Never Dies Valentine show. Now they call it the biggest little haunt in northern Alabama because big things come in small packages. It's not the biggest building you've ever seen, but you will not expect some of the scares we got inside of here. So without further ado, let's go in and get some Valentine's Day frights.
I'm not sure what we're getting into. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh gosh.
Fall down and worship.
Oh,
Oh God.
I thought this was going to be a kiss.
Here's that creature.
It's graffiti.
yes. Are you coming or what? I think. Come on. I don't know. Should we? Yes. Okay, okay. Oh God. I think it's talking. Okay.
Oh my.
No
Oh,
touching
God.
of the staff.
No touching the monsters. Oh my.
Oh, have a nice fright.
Have a nice fright.
Nice? Yes!
Oh,
Okay.
God.
We got this. Into the dark.
Into the darkness.
Have a good scare.
We're gonna try.
Thank you. Oh,
Yeah.
shoot
Oh, my.
balls. Oh, 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 oh.
Oh God.
The floor is squishy. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Oh God.
I don't like it.
Wobbly floor.
Wobbly floors.
I love that floor.
Oh.
You guys, they're already moving. They're already moving.
Oh God. It's never
Hello? Something's got to be in here. Where are you?
good. Oh God.
Oh,
God.
what the heck was that?
Jinx.
Oh, oh, oh,
Oh
oh.
God.
Something just moved from over there. What is that?
Oh!
Oh God, there's a dot person.
Oh God.
There's another dot person. There's two of them.
Dot people everywhere.
Oh, it's a dotman.
It's a dotman.
Look out for the dotman, Vince. Oh, all right. Jesus Christ, don't let her get you. Tyler, they want to kiss.
You go get you some kisses.
Oh God. Oh no, they disappeared. Where'd they go?
Be gone.
I don't know, that was my chance.
Jesus! No.
Be careful with that.
He just wants a kiss. There's your chance, Vince. Oh
I don't know.
no. Oh no.
Not a kiss with devices.
Oh.
You want to go on the wall?
I don't think so.
No.
No.
Oh,
That's not necessary. Yeah, he does.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna pass.
Valentine's frights are the good kind.
Oh yeah. Oh, he's chopping,
Things
chopping.
touching us. I don't.
That's kind of creepy.
She's peeking out.
You guys, I think we're trapped.
Are we stuck?
I think we're trapped. Okay. This ain't
Heard
right.
somebody sobbing.
Oh Lord.
Oh my.
Oh, she's a screamer.
Oh my.
Okay. Uh-oh, the music's intensifying just a little bit, you know. Oh, that don't look good at all. Oh no. Oh no. I'm just gonna keep going this way. I don't trust you. Oh God, the power of Christ. Oh, she's
Looks like she
floating.
might have us for dinner.
She's floating.
Oh God. That's
Oh,
never
no.
good.
Oh God.
Oh my.
I'm trying not to be lost. That way?
This way?
Crap.
This way.
Nuh-uh.
Oh!
Dead end.
Dead end. The other left.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the other left. Okay.
The other left.
Here we go, Tyler.
Oh,
What the hell? They're on a hoverboard. Oh my God! Have you ever seen a hoverboard in a haunt?
The hover. Oh God.
Oh, this is awesome. I love how the stars glow. Wow.
All right, the
That's
effect
trippy.
works.
Bye. Who's on the hoverboard?
Oh my God. Oh no, guys, I don't like it. I don't like it. Oh, balls. There's something on the floor. Oh, I see it. We ain't got none.
We don't have any.
Oh, I don't know about you. Man,
Oh
the
God.
hoverboard's scared. Hoverboard.
Watch out for the hoverboard.
Yes. On your knees.
Oh, we have to get down and crawl.
so tight down here. Oh, balls. Oh my God.
Oh, they got a cabin. We come out of a cabin.
There you go, Kevin.
Oh God. Oh my, no
What
attack.
the hell?
Oh, I bet you do.
No. No, I don't want the spider. No, you keep the spider.
Oh, you got a Spidey.
No.
Oh, you got a Spidey.
That's so gross.
Oh my.
That's
Ruby,
so, no.
my scary Valentine.
Give it to Tyler.
Oh God. Nope, I don't need it either. Oh God.
Did you see that spider?
It was a.
Oh man. Yeah, get Tyler. Ooh. Oh my goodness.
All right, guys, well, that was Sweet DreamZ Haunted House once again up here in Joppa, Alabama. Let us know what you thought. They're gonna be opening up for some more off-season shows here before haunt season gets here. And if you wanna see a little more about them, I've got their behind-the-scenes tour linked right here for you. The owner, Greg, walks us through and gives us a nice in-depth look at some of the scares they've got. And this was just a sneak peek of this show, so you'll see a lot more stuff in this behind-the-scenes tour. And if you wanna see another haunt walkthrough, I've got that one linked for you right here. We've got a bunch more haunts we're going to here in Alabama for Valentine's Day. Wherever you end up, I'll see you over there. Until then, stay scary.